How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add Xbox games to the AMD Adrenalin. So the first thing that you want to do is to update the drivers for your AMD graphics card, and that is by searching for the AMD drivers on your web browsers. From here, navigate through the Windows 10 or 11 drivers and simply just look for the graphics card that you are currently using. So for example, we are using the Radeon RX 9000 series 9070. Click submit, and from here you can then download the official drivers for your computer right here. Now, what you want to do is to then restart your device in order to make sure that it reads the driver successfully. And then on the actual AMD Radeon software right here, you just want to navigate through your games, and on the side of the screen, you have the scan option. So just click on this option right here, and it should then detect our Xbox game. But if not, there's going to be the manual add button. So just simply click on it, and from there, you can then manually add Xbox games onto your AMD Radeon. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.